when you needed to go to the hospital and for your post-treatment, right? Did you try to make the insurance claim yourself or you went through an agent?
Through an agent.
So let's say your agent is not right. Do you know what to do? How to claim?
No.
Totally clueless.
Okay, I've claimed for other things before, like travel insurance, but for hospital bills, there was one time I had to help somebody on a school trip because there was some like term insurance that we bought for him.
Alright.
There was a lot of red tape.
So in your opinion, claiming by yourself is normally pretty hard, right?
Yeah, it's hard. Yeah.
Okay, understand.